Yeah, once again we are MTKERBY, where we told you we're gonna be making some videos in English to help some of our viewers that have been asking for us to make some videos in English for them. So today we decided to make this video in English, and this video is gonna be about OneDrive, where we're gonna show you guys how to use OneDrive. Remember what OneDrive is? OneDrive is part of cloud computing, where you store your information, your photos, your music, and your files, so you could just store them in the computer. Okay, that's the reason why today we're gonna show you how to use OneDrive in your computer. First, we're gonna go to OneDrive. First thing, you go to OneDrive, go to the internet. You open the internet, and then you go to OneDrive. Okay, you type OneDrive. Microsoft OneDrive. From there, if you don't have an account, if you don't have an account with them, first you gotta sign up. You click sign up. Okay, that's if you don't have an account with them. What you need to do is you're gonna enter your Microsoft email. What is the Microsoft email? That means it could be Outlook email. It cannot be a Gmail, or it cannot be a Yahoo, but it could be a Hotmail, or it could be a Outlook. So mine is kirby.sass@outlook.com, which is good, or it could be a kirby.sass@hotmail.com. So first you're gonna enter your email address and your password. That's for sign in. But if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. And from there you go right there, sign up on the bottom. You see sign up. You click sign up, and from there you fill out this information, and that's where you enter your name, your last name, your user ID. You create a password. We type the password, and from there, once you fill the whole thing, now you have a OneDrive. They ask you for a birthday and everything else, and you scroll all the way down. We're going fast, and we country code United States. You got option. You go enter your phone number from here, and then you got enter this code. Just that's a security code to make sure that you're not a auto like a robot. Some people do robot call, where they use auto robot to fill out forms. So that's why it's very important that you enter these characters that they present you normally. And once you do that, you just click on create an account. Now you got an account with OneDrive. Now you could close the computer. Now that you got an account, we go to my account. We'll start. I go to all program, and then I'm looking for Microsoft OneDrive. Here you go. I got Microsoft OneDrive. I click on Microsoft OneDrive. Now mine's already got pictures. Look at me. This is now I am in Microsoft OneDrive right now. If you see right there, you see I have I have picture of my wife. I have picture of my mom. I have the whole family saved on the cloud. Remember, that is not saved just in the computer. It's saved in the cloud. What I mean in the cloud, that means is on the internet. So you don't have to actually go to this particular computer to access it. That means you could access these photos or pictures or music anywhere. Any other computer that you go to, you could just go and log into your account and access these photos. and from there you could copy it and copy it to the new computer that you're in. You could download it to the computer that you're in, and you could do a lot of things, and that's what's cool about it. Look at, like from here, you see I got a folder. You could create folder. You see I got a folder that say G White. That's a bunch of books I got from Ellen G White. You see all these books, they are in the cloud. They are on my account, on my storage. That's the storage that I have on the cloud. Or they were here. So from there I could access them. They're not in the computer, they are on the cloud, but I could read them, I could open them. You see, I open it, you see. From there I could scroll down and read the book. You know, normally I could get it bigger, you know, get the thing bigger, or I could get the whole screen. You see, you're doing all that from OneDrive. You see, and from there also you got other options that you could do. You could share those. Let's say I want to share this book. This is a book. Remember, I opened one of them. That's a book. I could just put my cursor right here and right click, and then from there I could go to OneDrive, and then I could OneDrive and go to share. You see, once you click share, okay, most likely is in the back. Let me see. Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, let me close this. Okay. Right click, and you go to OneDrive, and you go to share. Okay. You see, a new. Now you got a new window that's open. It asks you to log in. And from there, I could just log into my account. Okay. And enter my password. I don't want you guys to see my password. Okay, and then I click sign in. Okay, and now you see, remember I click share. Now I'm on the page where I could, this is the book right there, Avec Dieu chaque jour. That's the name of the book. And now I could share that book to anybody I want. So if I have your email, if you have a OneDrive account, you could just give me your email, and I'll tap the email. Let's say, for example, I'll email it to my wife. Just an example. So remember that you gotta have a OneDrive account in order for you to share a file, a document with somebody else. So from there, you see from the bottom, you could add a note. You could add, hi, this is the book. Okay, and from there you just click share. Okay, and if that account existed, like this is a made up account. My wife don't have that account, but I'm just showing you guys how to do it. And from there, you share that book with that person, the person that you send it to. And this is a cool feature with OneDrive. Now you see how much OneDrive is cool. Imagine that you got a video. You might have a video that you like, and you download the video, you put in, you save it in OneDrive, and you want to share it. You want to share it with your friend. You could just go to OneDrive, and then you save it there, and then you share it with wherever the person could be way in Haiti, and you share it with him. So that's what's cool about OneDrive. Other things that I think is cool in OneDrive is certain features, like you see, like you could burn, like if you want to make a CD, You could burn a CD. You could print. You could print anything you want. You understand? You could print anything. Yes, that is pretty cool. And from there, you could also Adobe Reader. That means that's the program is using to open OneDrive. I think this is one of the cool things that's going on in the cloud right now, where people could share information without sending it to email. Remember, if you gotta send an email, like a book, an entire book to somebody to email, you gotta use some kind of special email services to do that. You cannot use yahoo.com, you cannot use gmail.com, because the file is too big. Or if you want to share a video, a movie, a complete movie with somebody, you cannot send that to email. So, but with program like OneDrive or Dropbox, you could share the whole book with that program. And this is that was a good. I think that was a tutorial that's necessary, because we try to teach you guys how to do certain things with your computer. Here's another program also we want to talk about today while we're here. I just discovered that program, and I'm also excited. I said, wow, I gotta share it with my friends. So I decided to add that to my videos. The program is Buffer. Let's go to it. Go to Buffer, B-U-F-F-E-R. Okay, we'll tap Buffer, B-U-F-F-E-R. Okay. We'll go to Buffer. It's right here. Buffer app. You click it. You click it. And from there, okay. If you don't have an account, if you don't like I said, if you don't have an account yet, you just have to fill out the form and create an account. Just like we did the other one, you just create an account. You go to sign up. You enter your information. And one thing about Buffer, what do Buffer do? Buffer is a program that lets you share all your content at one time. And that's cool. Like if I want to post a video on Facebook or in Google Plus and Twitter, so I could do all that at one time. So let's say, you see right there, I have 3 programs. I have Facebook, Google Plus, and I have Twitter. So all 3 programs, if I want to post something, let's say I want to post something. Let me post something so you guys could see. I like this app, Buffer. Okay. Now, if I want to post, I like this app, Buffer. Instead of me going to Facebook and go to post it on Facebook and go post it on Google Plus and go post it on Twitter, I could just go to Buffer and just click on Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter. Once I do that, it's already gone. Once you click on them, so the post what I just post already he went to all 3 of those social networking sites. So he went to Facebook, he went to Google Plus, and he went to Twitter. So that's what's cool about this app. And I think he give you option to add more social media. Like you see account, you could click on plus, and he asks you which one you want to add. If you want to add LinkedIn, you could add LinkedIn. If you want to add AppNet, and you got other options. Like we already have Facebook, we already have Twitter, we already have Google Plus, but we could add LinkedIn, you could add AppNet, and you could add more app if you upgrade. You see, you got an upgrade option where most likely the upgrade option you have to pay. But for this option you don't have to pay nothing. And that's what's cool about this app that I like so much, which is Buffer, where you could share your information. Let's say you got a video, that you like, and you want to share with your friend. You could just copy the URL. Remember, the URL is this, the top portion from HTTP. You could just copy it. Wait, I just click something. Wait 1 second. Okay, that top portion, I could just copy that. Okay, that's an example. You could just copy this, and then you paste it inside buffer, and then you share it. Like if this was a video URL, you could just copy it and paste it and share it with all your friends and buffer. And I think this is cool for like for technology, where it's making your life a lot easier. It's making things easier for you to do certain things. Those 2 apps that we just give you, I think those are cool apps, cool application, cool program for you that you could use daily in your life. And I hope you liked this tutorial. We'll be back with more. We won't try to do more reviews, app reviews on our channel, and we're gonna try to do more English, because I got people that ask me, like I've been saying, why you don't do some English tutorial. So we're planning to do more English tutorials to help others. I hope you guys appreciate the channel, and don't forget to sign in. And don't forget, if you got any computer problem in the Miami area, you can call Kirby, MTKERBY, MTKERBY at 786-277-6774. Thank you.